Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save your own presets and After Effects. Saving your own presets in After Effects can significantly speed up your workflow and ensure consistency across different projects. Whether you're creating animation presets, effects configurations, or specific compositions, saving presets allows you to quickly apply those same settings with just a few clicks. Here's a detailed guide on how to save your own presets and After Effects. Take note: before saving a preset, you need to set up your animation or effect and After Effects. First things first, launch Adobe After Effects and create a new project or just open an existing one. Go to Composition, New Composition, then configure the composition settings like duration, resolution, and frame rate. Add a text, shape, or footage layer to your composition where you'll apply the desired effects or animations. Choose your layer and apply the effects or animations you wish to save as a preset. Adjust parameters as needed. You can't keyframe animations in this area. Once you have selected the desired properties, proceed to save the preset. Go to Animation, Save Animation Preset at the top menu. In the dialog box that appears, choose where you want to save your preset. Give your preset a descriptive name that reflects its function, such as my blur effect or slide and text animation. Then go ahead and click Save. Saving your own preset in Adobe After Effects is a powerful way to enhance productivity and maintain consistency across projects where you're working on complex animations or simple effects. Having a library or presets can save time and ensure high quality results every time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.